So you're having a problem with your foundation, you're having one of our specialists to come out and take a look at the situation. What can you expect with our specialists and our repair plan? You're probably wondering, are we old school and do we do a proposal just written out on a napkin, or have we integrated with technology? How long will it take for us to put it together? Will you know the repair plans the same day as the inspection? Today we will answer these questions and more. So once I put a repair plan together, I put it together in Arcsite. So you're gonna have a drawing, you're gonna have pier placements, you're gonna have areas of post replacement and crawl space jacks if crawl space jacks are necessary for the repair plan. If you wanna know more about Arcsite, our drawing program, just click the link above my head. The repair plan does include a scaled diagram of the home, of the crawl space, of where girder beams are, interior rooms, where concrete is on the outside, where different obstructions are, such as a hot water heater, gas meter, things like that. Most repair plans and proposals go out the same day. If by chance I'm not able to get it out the same day, just about all of them go out within 24 hours. So you're gonna view the proposal, it's gonna come to you not from our email address, but from a Buildertrend.com email address. That's because we use a program named Buildertrend that generates the proposal. So the proposal itself will be coming from that Buildertrend.com email address. If you don't see it in your inbox, you'll want to check your spam folder. And attached to the proposal is going to be the repair plan and drawing. So the proposal is going to have all of the details of the project. So that's going to be the number of piers, it's going to be the number of concrete removal and replacement, things like post replacement, any crawl space jacks that are on the project. It's going to have everything that we need to do to get that project done is going to be on the proposal. So Buildertrend isn't just used for our proposals, but it's also used after a project is started. You get daily updates about what was completed that day on your project. We also send out the warranty information after the project is completed through Buildertrend. Once you receive your proposal, if you have any questions, please reach out to your project design specialist. If you don't have any questions and you're ready to move forward, you can sign it right on the Buildertrend app to get the process rolling. Thanks for watching the video, and we're looking forward to helping you solve your foundation problems. And remember, never settle on an unsafe home.